Hi, this is Mike. I'm going to be replacing a sliding door handle that I pulled off my van. I've had several of these vans, and this is a common issue, and it can be a little bit tricky, so it happened to me again, and I got Ollie helping me out doing the filming. So if you've done this, you've pulled it, and it's broken off, and you want to replace it yourself, this is how you do it. I'm just going to show you over here. I bought this on eBay. It's like 20 bucks. It's not an OEM, but it'll do the job. OEMs are going to be a lot more expensive, but they will last longer. This is kind of a get you by type of option. So it's like this. It's all plastic. I'm just going to leave it black. You can paint it if you want the color of your van, but I mean, this is a 2000, so this van's like 17 years old now, so it's starting to get to the age where just getting by. So this is what it looks like. Just going to have this as a tool to get the nut off the back, and to get the nut off the back here, and I'll probably put this magnet on there just because you don't want that nut to drop down inside the door when you take it off. This is just, we call it a snake egg. You get it at the dollar store. Alright, we're inside the van now. And it's got a couple panels that we got to take off. This one here, and then this larger door panel. So I'm just going to use a crowbar to get in there and pull that off. It's just held on by these fasteners. So now I'm going to take off this other door panel. There's the other door panel. And it's got this sound barrier on here. This should just come off. It's held on by like glue. Who needs this? I guess you do, but mostly just in the way. Alright, so it's got this this is where you go in to get your old one out. It's got 2 pal nuts in there, and so I'm gonna reach in there and see if I can get those off. Vice grip. Give me a little more leverage to get that. There we go. It's kind of tight. Really tight. Alright, so this thing just wants to spin. So I think what I'm going to have to do is cut the head off of the bolt. So I was able to kind of break it. There we go. Sometimes it just comes down to brute force and ignorance. So now that big chunk is all down inside my door.
And the bolt's still there.
There it is. Easy! So now we still got this to come out. So, put a little WD on it. Let it soak for 4 seconds.
Okay, go.
I'm going to try to see if I can put these vice grips on here.
Like so.
And hold it from spinning, like so. You've seen our previous videos, I say like so.
For what?
Just want it to stop spinning. Stop spinning. Why is it so hard to stop spinning? There we go. There's that. Hopefully that'll hold it. Gotta back it out. There's that. Put this on. I saw this one video, it was like 3 minutes long. How to replace your door handle.
3 minutes.
No, not us. We go for the 20-minute. Oh, see, it still wants to spin. We may end up doing the old cut it off with the Sawzall. Why does it have to be that way?
You can't just buy a new car.
Whoa, that was loud. Beautiful, clean job we've done here. But it's okay. Out here in the rain, filming.
Racing to death.
No, this is fun. Right? Father-son time? No?
I'm only doing this for the slushy.
That's true. Ali said, what do you give me if I film with you? Film for you. I said ice cream. He said, how about a slushie? So that's what this is. Come down to is slushy time. Ali will film for a slushie. Yeah, I think this is going to be cutting it off party. So that's where we're at this point. Is I'm going to try to use this hacksaw. This is really easy.
Not really getting anywhere. Wasn't worth it.
Figure out a different nut because that's going to be a pain to get off of there. So let's see where we're at. This is what it took, all these tools, just to get it to this point. Alright, so we got these two. The one nut that survived the carnage, and then a new nut that I just had. Slightly different size, but make it work. So, believe it or not, from what I remember, this is the hardest part. So we got to get this into there and work correctly. So I'm going to give it a few tries and then try to give you a tip on how to get it in there. Tricky part, getting the handle into here. So this is how I've got it. I took the nuts or the bolts out of there. So I tap those out carefully. And now we're going to be putting this in there. So putting it in like this. And then that's how it goes in. Do it again for you, just so you can see it. This little leg is going to slide back into there. And then the two legs are going to go in at the same time. And that's where we're at right now. So now we're going to have to go inside because right now it won't go in. It's stuck. So once you get to this point, we're going to go to the inside to show you how to do the rest. Inside here, if you look in there, there's going to be a, almost looks like a brass tab. Let's see if I can show it to you. Okay, you see that brass tab? It's hitting that little leg that was in there. So we got to push that out of the way by just pushing it with your thumb, and then the handle should go in all the way. So I'm going to push that tab. Okay, here we are again. For some reason it wouldn't move, so I had to close the door. And right now I'm pushing that brass tab. So I'm pushing it out of the way, and that will allow me to wiggle that handle. Now it's in. So I'm pushing that brass tab all the way over and wiggling that until it goes in. And now the handle is fully engaged. So now I've got to put the bolts in to hold it in place. I don't have the bolts in there yet, I just want to test it. Let's see if it's lined up. So I'm just holding it and then pulling it, and it released it. So I know that the handle is engaged. Okay, so we're putting the bolts back in there. So in order to do that, we had to pull this handle back and then push them in there through the hole. And then I pressed it back in with this screwdriver just so they're sitting flush. And now we're going to put the bolts in or the nuts on the back. Okay, we got it all back together. Tail nuts went back in. Now it's just a matter of putting the door panel back on. So we'll do that. See how everything goes so smooth? It would take, 4-minute video and everything will be fine, right? No, that's not how it works. On older vehicles. Just banging those fasteners back in. And this, got your sound panel, and this should go on. Lock, unlock. So that's it. So there you have it. I just replaced a sliding door handle. You might ask yourself, why would I do this? Because you can. You don't have to pay somebody else to do it. You spend $20 and maybe an hour of time. Fine. I did it. So, good job. Thanks, Ollie, my cameraman, and you guys have a great time fixing your own door handle. See you next time.